Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today, really simple. So let's start. The stamp set we're going to be using is this one called Touch of Ink, and this is a free set you can get during celebration. So during celebration, for every £45 or £90 you spend, you get to choose a free item from the celebration catalogue. There's two levels. You have level 1, which is £45, and level 2, which is £90. And this is one of the stamp sets, and this is a two-step stamp set, as you can see. So you've got quite a lot of stamps there. Okay. But let's get started. We're going to stamp initially in Memento. So let's ink this up. Okay. I haven't inked my sentiment very well, I can see. So I've just got this flower shape, and then my sentiment says best wishes. Very simple sentiment. Okay, so there we go. There's that. So let's give this everything a clean, because you know I like to clean as I go along. Find it easier. Get into less mess that way. Okay, so let's take these two off. And now this is a two-step stamping. So this is the second bit. Now this bit I struggled with, I won't deny. It is easier actually once you've stamped it once, because your stamp set is stained, and therefore it's actually easier to see where it's going to go. Don't worry if it doesn't cover everything. It's not meant to. It's meant to be a very sketchy stamp, and I think that can be off-putting at times when you're used to wanting perfection. So I'm just going to lay it down there, and then of course move my cardstock. Let's see, is it still where I want it? Yeah, it'll do. And I'm going to use Melon Mambo, nice bright pink. Make us happy, make us smile. I like bright colours. You can see I'm wearing bright red today, so I like bright colours. So this suits me down to the ground. Yeah, that'll be fine. It's just meant to be sketchy, as I said. Okay, so everything's cleaned up, so let's start assembling. Our card base is thick basic white, and this is an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece here of the Designer Series paper, and this is Melon Mambo, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And we're just going to stick this down and make sure, because this is text, make sure your text goes in the right direction, otherwise you'll be ripping everything back up again. Okay. And then this is our, I've got glue everywhere, our sentiment. That's going to go somewhere in the centre, and just like that. And then finishing touches, I've got these, and they're the Artistry Bloomed sequins, and I'm going to use, let's see, going to use these pink ones here. Keep them in here in case any fall out, because even if the backing goes on them, you can still just put some glue dots of your own. So keeping them in a little baggie means they are safe. So let me get my take your pick tool so I can just put a few here at the bottom, just like that. And there you go, they're the two cards. So what do you think? I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, supply lists, links to my online shop, it'll all be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. I'm including the link to my Facebook group where I host a monthly online card club, so do check us out. Thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!